family, friends, and fellow graduates. Today is the day of celebration, a culmination of year of hard work, challenges, and triumphs. Standing here as one of the highest awardees, I am humbled and honored to represent a group of individuals so diverse in talents, passions, and potential. As we sit here together one last time, I can help but reflect on the journey that brought us here. Our paths may have been different, but each of us shares moments that have shaped who we are today. Whether it was the friendship formed in hallways and classrooms, or the lessons learned from mistakes. These experiences were the building blocks of our growth. We've been blessed with teachers who inspired us, challenged us, and pushed us to think beyond the limits of our imagination. Let's take a moment to thank them for their unwavering dedication and belief in potential. And to our families, or loved ones, has been the foundation of our success. Thank you for thank you for thank you for standing by us every step of the way. Especially to my mom, Mommy Rose and Daddy Albert, who never failed to support, love, and most of all, who believed in me throughout my journey. And to Inang and Tatang and Tito Rene, thank you for all their sacrifice and help us are one of those people who believe in me. But not just in me, but also to my siblings. Graduating today doesn't just mark the end of a chapter. It signifies the beginning of countless opportunities. When we leave the safety of this school, we take with us the courage to dream, the strength to persevere, and the tools to turn challenges into opportunities. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that success isn't it just about reaching milestones. It's about the journey, about finding joy in small victories, showing kindness to others, and making a difference in the world around us. As we step into this new chapter, I encourage each of us to embrace uncertainty, to be resilient in the face of challenges, and to never stop learning. Let's aim to leave this world better than we found it. No matter how big or small our contributions may be, today is not the end. It's the beginning. It's the launch pad for our dreams. The start of a legacy we each have the power to create. Together, we are unstoppable. Congratulations to the class of 2025. Let's go out there and shine. Thank you. This is Shunja Reyes, your future nurse.
Thank you